Hey guys, what's up? Mm, Today our topic is polymorphism. It is one of the important topic, and it is very important feature in OOPS topic, object-oriented programming. It is very important. Okay. Before dive into the topic, please subscribe, and if you love this video, then please like it and share to your friends who are trying to learn the coding. Okay, so today our topic is polymorphism. What is poly? In school times, I think in school times we learn some topics like monomial, binomial, polynomial. Mono means single, binomial means two, and polynomial means many form many. So in that way, polymorphism means many forms. Poly means many, and morphism means forms. It is many forms. What is many forms? Okay, actually, uh, I will try to explain with one example. So for example, I need to add two numbers. Then adding of two numbers is nothing but addition. We are know that, right? So adding of two numbers is nothing but addition. But coming to strings, adding of two strings is nothing but concatenation. So addition is different and concatenation is different. So adding is nothing but addition of two numbers is nothing but addition, and addition of two strings is nothing but concatenation. It means I give two strings, so one string after one string is nothing but concatenation. So let's try to do this. I'm creating one class. So no, okay, I'm creating one class, and the class name is, okay, the class name is demo. Okay, already exists. Okay, the class name is demo. In the demo class, I'm writing one method, pub int. I'm taking the method name is add and giving two integers. I write the one method, simple method. The method name is add. Here the method name is add. I'm giving two integers here, integer a, integer b, and it returns the value a plus b. So it is very simple, very simple method, and try to create one object for that. So here I'm writing one object for demo, one object for demo, and try to print that method. So obj dot, the method name is add, and I am giving two integers. So 3 comma 6. Yeah, I'm giving two integers. So the method name is add. So it prints the value is 9, right? So it that gives the value is 9. Okay, I will write another method. So here I'm writing another method, control C and control V. This method is for strings. The method name is con, and I am giving two strings, right? String A comma string B, and it need to print A concat B. Yeah, so it needs to, oh sorry, it return string value, right? So I write another method. And it needs to print the, if you give two string values, then it need to print the concatenate. So let's try to do this. Method name is con, and I am giving two strings. Seran, comma, yeah. So I try to run it. Yeah, I'm getting the Saran Kumar. It means concatenation. Okay, then what is polymorphism? I'm giving two different. So I'm giving two names right here. The giving the first method name is add and second method name is con. But here I'm trying to give add because here when we call the add and give the two strings, then it need to be concatenate, and we call the add and give two integers, it need to be addition. So let's try to do this. I think there is no error. Yeah, let's see. Let's see, there is no error here. So when we call the obj.add, so it comes to here and checks for the add method. So there is two add method and add method, and then it checks for the parameters. Here I am giving string and string, so it checks for the parameters called string and string, so it execute the concatenation method. So if you give the integers, then it gives the return abc, it means addition. So here the method is same, the methods in different it behaves different forms. For example, what is polymorphism? Poly means different forms, poly means many, uh, morphism means forms, right? So many forms, I'm giving integer, then it returns one form, and I'm giving string and string, it gives another form. I'm writing another method in the method name is also is add, and first value is it takes double j, and it needs to return double. Yeah, I'm taking another method, the method name is also add, but here we need to give the first value is double and second value is integer. Then we get the addition of this float, and we get the addition of integer and double value. So let's try to do this. I'm giving 2.2, 2.3 comma 6. So when we call the add, it comes to here and checks for the add method. There is three methods with the name of add. So then it checks for parameters. So here first parameter is double and second parameter is integer. So it checks here integer, so not compatible. So it checks here string and string, it is not compatible. So then he checks here, so double and int, so it is matched. So it matches means, so it returns the this value. For example, I am giving the integer and double, so there is no method first parameter is integer and second method is double, so it gives error here. So for example, parameter is integer and second parameter is double, so it gives the error here. So if you create another method, if you create another method here, and first number is integer and second method is double. Yeah, second method is double, then there is no error, I think. So there is no error and it executes. So it gives the value. So here it behaves different forms, it forms different behaviors. For example, integer it making addition. When we give the string values, it concatenates. When we take float and integer, it addition. So in that way it behaves different forms based on the parameters. So this topic is polymorphism, and it is nothing but method overloading. Means the the methods have same name with different parameters, then it is nothing but method overloading. In polymorphism there is two concepts, that is method overloading and method overriding. So this is the topic of method overloading. Overloading means we have same name, method name, but different parameters. Based on different parameters, it chooses which one is to be executed. So in that way it works. And thank you. If you love that topic, please like it and share to your friends who are trying to get job, are trying to learn Java coding, and we will solve the topics very easy manner. And thank you very much.